What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to create ChatGPT shortcut to your Android. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So keep note that you can't really download ChatGPT on your Android. There is actually no ChatGPT application available on every platforms because it's a website. So in order to you know, add it in your desktop or your home screen in your cell phone, you just need to add it a shortcut. So what you're going to do is to go to the ChatGPT website, and after you go to the website, just click this three dots on the top right corner and click add to home screen right here, and you can change name ChatGPT, then click add. And after that, just touch and hold the ChatGPT icon and drag it down to your home screen. And that's how you do it. That's how you create a shortcut of ChatGPT to your home screen. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.